Hi, my name is Reva Siebold. I'm here today to talk about democracy and volunteering. Democracy was founded on volunteering, people coming together for survival, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, in a new land, to survive the winter, to survive perceived threats from the outside, to come together and enjoy each other. It was the backbone of how we created democracy. And democracy continued to grow, and volunteering, though it wasn't called that then, continued. We gave to community, community gave back to us. We had to. As life has gotten more complicated, and we have things like automobiles in the virtual world, volunteering has fallen out of favor because it seems as if we don't need for survival anymore, and therefore don't need the social interaction, the volunteering, the giving freely to the community. We now have people do our community work, run our towns, to run our organizations. The book and the movie Bowling Alone really speaks to this eloquently. But what gives us joy is being in community. What takes care of the loneliness and the helplessness is being in community. Building something that you have ownership on, in a small town, in a city. Building some support to that which you love, whether it be a sport or a spiritual group. There's really nothing that can replace working together with a group of like-minded people from totally diverse backgrounds who are committed to the health of something you believe in. But we're all resistant. We're all too busy in this day and age. We all have more things to do. But I'd like us to consider the possibility of opening to that resistance and to the possibility of healing democracy in ourselves by volunteering. So when you think of volunteering, if there's resistance, just open to the resistance. The mind that goes, I don't have time, da, 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 da. But what if it's worth exploring? What if it's worth letting go of that resistance and putting it on your calendar to go and see in those communities you love, what's there? What can you bring? How can you make this world that you live in vibrant? We live in a physical world. We live in a world with humans. The virtual world is a mental world. It's really helpful, but it doesn't feed the heart. Classes on Zoom are great. I talked to someone who did their whole graduate school education without going to one single class. But when we don't hang out with people while we're doing something else, we miss a lot. A lot of love, a lot of learning. The mind is not particularly interested in doing that because it's a waste of time. But just explore what it'd feel like to feel part of something bigger than you. Thank you.